Hello everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have waited a really long time to review and swatch all the metal liquid lipstick by Sugar Cosmetics. They are my favorites, they are my go-to. I love those lipsticks, and I really want to tell you so much about these lipsticks. So without any further ado, let's get started. So these lipsticks are the most luxurious and the most expensive liquid lipsticks that were launched by Sugar. It was launched in July 2019 last year, and I know I'm very late to swatch and review these lipsticks, but better late than never, isn't it? So it's available in 12 amazing shades that would suit every Indian skin tone. I have 9 shades because I thought the 3 other shades are quite similar to the ones that I already have. So I'm going to be reviewing only the 9 shades that I have today. Just let me tell you guys that I am in deep love with these lipsticks after their launch, and my first purchase from these lipsticks was Mimosa and Talita. But before that, before getting into the deep review of these lipsticks, let's first talk about the packaging. So it comes in a beautiful copper packaging like this. It's a cardboard packaging, and it comes with a thread. So there are two circle kind of things here, and you roll over the thread. So these lipsticks are locked here with the thread, and here it opens like this. The inner packaging of this lipstick is something like this. Now you can see here that this packaging is luxurious, isn't it? It's amazing actually. So it has got a beautiful copper bronzy metallic cap which has Sugar written on it, and the lipstick color is visible through the see-through transparent plastic kind of thing here. And the lipstick shade, you can see the lipstick shade at the bottom of the lipstick. It's mentioned here along with the number. So I am holding 04 series right now, so that's what is written here. And along with that, you can also see the lipstick shade number here at the bottom of the box as well. So that's not an issue at all. But once you see the lipstick outside, you can see, you would know how it would look on your lips. Now this is Talita that I'm wearing right now on my lips, and you can see that the color that is visible in the bottle in the lipstick is the same that is visible on my lips. It's all the same. So these lipsticks retail for 1199 rupees each for 7 ml of product, and these were the most expensive lipsticks that Sugar has ever launched. And people were wondering, even I was wondering, why so expensive? But Sugar claimed that this lipstick, it has got the most luxurious, has got the most comfortable feel on your lips. It's very light, it's very comforting. And yes, this is indeed true. These lipsticks are the most comfortable liquid lipsticks that I have ever tried, because I am a crazy lipstick lover, and whenever I think of buying a lipstick, I always go to Sugar Cosmetics. They have got the maximum pigmented lipsticks. If you take a bullet lipstick, you take a liquid lipstick, you take any kind of lipstick, even if you take a lip gloss, they have the highest pigmentation of all. And that is why Sugar Cosmetics is love, and that is why I love these lipsticks from Sugar. I love every lipstick that Sugar launches. When we talk about the texture of these lipsticks, they are super smooth on lips, they are non-drying, they are comfortable, and they are very light, and they would last on you for about 8+ hours. Again, I'm not a lipstick eater person, so it depends on what you are, how you maintain it, what you're eating. And if you're eating, you're using the entire lip area of your thing. That depends on person to person, but yeah, I can preserve my lipstick for at least 12 hours. That is the minimum I can keep any kind of lipstick, especially the liquid lipsticks. So this has lasted on me forever until I can keep it. This has lasted on me, and it stays true. The color stays true all day. It does not change its color. The lipstick color that you see right now, if you see this lipstick after 12 hours, you can see that this looks the same. It does not change its color, it does not bleed, it doesn't crumble, it doesn't come off feathery bits, it doesn't crumble off from your lips, it doesn't bleed elsewhere from your lips. That is one of the best parts that I think about it. So as I said, these lipsticks are smudge proof, budge proof, they are transfer proof. you can see it does not transfer at all. There is no transfer whatsoever. So I think I always prefer a lipstick which is transfer proof. That is my first and foremost point, and then the pigmentation should also be there. So this is what Sugar gives in every lipstick that it launches with. So considering this Sugar Metal Liquid lipsticks, one of my most favorite liquid lipsticks in a higher budget, because if you increase your budget a little bit, you get all the luxurious thing that you require in a liquid lipstick. The best part about these lipsticks are they are cruelty free and paraben free. So let's see what Sugar has to say about these lipsticks. It says a long-lasting and nourishing formula that keeps your lips covered with intense bold color from AM to PM. I give it 10 on 10 for this point. You'll love the lush creamy texture of this can't resist lipper that is not only ultra lightweight but also silky smooth, which is true. Packed with avocado oil, antioxidants and vitamins A, C and E, this non-sticky, non-drying liquid lipstick promises to take good care of your pout while delivering a rich, highly pigmented color and finish. It's true, it might have oil. I am not sure about that. If Sugar claims it has, it's non-sticky, it's completely matte and it's not at all dry. You cannot feel anything. It's so lightweight, you won't even feel that you're wearing a lipstick on your lips. Now, the benefits of these lipsticks are lightweight formula provides a feather light finish, avocado oil softens your lips, vitamin E hydrates your lips, cruelty free formula, which is the best, which all of us would need in a lipstick or in a makeup product, in a cosmetic product. The cosmetic product should be cruelty free, paraben free, so it won't hamper your skin, hamper your lips. That's what Sugar offers every time it launches a product, and that is again a big fat thumbs up from my side. So I think this is it from my side about Sugar Metal Liquid lipsticks. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content, because I'm gonna come up with a lot of content. You gotta really watch it and you really don't want to miss it. And also click the bell icon just under the video so that you don't miss any update as soon as I upload a video. Now see you soon in my next video. Before that, without any further ado, let's get started with the swatches of these lipsticks.